which state are you like? Mine or Rubia's or Mommy's? Let me know in the comments below. Is it fan?
Okay, so show them yours. Show them yours. That's yours. Show them this is yours, Rubia, right?
This is mine, and that is mine.
And mine turned out very, very, very like, see, it's like shiny slime. Whoa.
Mine's like so sticky.
And this is hers.
Yes.
Sticky.
Yes, sticky.
Of course.
Sticky.
The texture is kind of like,
It's kind of like.
it looks kind of like
Yep.
a putty
Okay,
slime.
put it back on the bowl.
Okay, you show them?
I'll put it. Yeah.
You can use both of your hands to get it off. Use both of your hands to get it off.
Oh, get icky, so you have to.
See, so it's still at that very sticky, gluey point, but we're working on it. But this one is it's getting really like to the slime texture. You see, the slime texture. But it's still kind of hard to get off the fingers. But it's very slimy. It's very gooey. This is Rubia's, right, Ruby?
Yeah. What the heck?
Hers is a little bit more gooey. I call it more of a goo than a slime, but I think I need to put more of that magic liquid in it. Oh, it's sticky. It's so sticky.
Mine is sticky too.
So this is Anissa's.
Huh?
Ding, ding, ding. That's Anissa's. See, look at it's still in my hands. This is Anissa's. This is Rubia's. More of a goo. You got a shiny blue goo.
And I got a shiny
And
pink.
this is mine. I like purple, so mine's purple.
And I
She
like
likes pink, right?
Yes, so mine is pink, and Rubia likes blue, so she has blue.
Well, she likes green more than she likes blue, but we really could not find the shiny green one.
Yeah, so we should.
We had a glow in the dark one. Should we try glow in the dark next time? Since we got more of the liquid to make more.
Yeah, but we can mix all of those together. How about that?
What do you think, Rubia?
Wah, wah, wah.
Wah, wah, wah.
Hey, we can do that.
I don't think Rubia's up for that.
Yeah, but I can do that too.
So next time we will try glow in the dark slime and we can play like that, okay?
Yeah, sure, we can play.
Thumbs up? Thumbs up?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up, thumbs up. What do we say, Rubia? Subscribe to our channel for more.
Subscribe for our channel.